And now in this video we will talk about rm command. Okay, so rm basically stands for remove. Okay, so in this basically video we're gonna talk about how we can remove files. Okay, and also basically this the rm command, basically we use it for removing files, but also we can use it for removing directories also. Okay, so today we will see and learn all about this. So now what we have to do, I will just create some files. Okay, let me do ls. Okay, so here is no any files, I have deleted all. Okay, start with touch 1.txt, 2.txt, 3.txt, and 4.txt. okay, I hope you are aware of this touch command as we have already covered. Okay, now ls. So here you can see all the 4 files have been created. Okay, now what I have to do, I will tell you about the rm command. Okay, so basically rm command is used to remove the directories. How we can sorry, not directories, files also. Okay, not only directories. Okay, so what we will do, we will try to remove the 1.txt. okay, so how I can do it, rm and then the file name 1.txt, enter. Now what I will do, I will just hit ls, and here you can see 1.txt is not here. Okay, it is deleted now. Again, let's start with 2.txt, it is also deleted. Now let's delete 3.txt, and again 4.txt. okay, now let's hit enter and ls, and here you will see all the files which we have created has been deleted. Okay, so this is a tedious work, like when you will remove one by one. So if you want to remove many files like at a one time, okay, so how you can do it? So again I will need to just create all those txt. So I have created a four txt files. Now what I have to do, I will just rm1, then 2, then 3, then 4. I will just hit enter and ls, all file is gone. Okay, nothing is there, so all file has been deleted now. So now let me tell you about some of the options which you can use with this rm command, like -f, -I, also capital IV, all these things I will tell you. Okay, so again let me create those files. Okay, now files has been created here. Now I will show you rm-I option, small I. What it will do, so basically it just prompts you for the confirmation, whether you want to delete this file or not. By sometime what happens, you by mistake delete some of the files, you don't get any prompt and all. So with this option you will get prompt. Okay, so I will just hit enter, and here you will see remove regular empty file. You have to do yes or no. If I will do yes, it will get deleted. I will just hit enter ls, and then see 1.txt has been deleted. What if I do n? Let's do for 2.txt, and so obviously this file will not be deleted. So 2.txt is as it is. Okay, so this is about a -I, like a small I, with which you will get a prompt about whether you want to delete or not some files. Okay, but you will think about, in this case we were deleting all these 4.txt files in a one single command. Okay, but we were so how we can get prompt for this? So there is also option for it. Okay, so let me first remove all these files, 3.txt, 4.txt. okay, ls, there is no files, and again I will just try to create those 4 files. Okay, now there is also one option like -capital I. Okay, What it does, when you will go to remove more than 3 files, it will ask you for the confirmation whether you want to delete all those files at once, okay, or not. But it will ask only once. Okay, so how we can do it? Touch, not touch, sorry, 1.txt, 2.txt, 3.txt, 4.txt. Here you can see we have how many files? 4 files. I will hit enter, and again here you will see remove. Do you want to remove 4 arguments? If you will do yes, why, then obviously it will be deleted. Now we will do ls. So here you will see there is no any files. Okay, all files has been deleted. Okay, there is also more options like -v. Okay, what it does, sorry, if I will go with -v option, we can like combinedly use more than 2 options together. So -v, what it does, it will show you what is being done. Okay, so let's hit enter. I will say yes, and here you will see what happened. Removed 1.txt, then 2.txt, then 3, then 4. Okay, sorry. So these are the 4 files which have been deleted, and you have got the information like what was going on after the like hitting this particular command. Okay, so -v option only just displays the what is going on. Okay, and now let's move towards like directories. Okay, how we can delete empty directories or like non-empty directories. So let me create one directory -p. I will choose with a1, a2, a3. Okay, so here you will get like in a1 directory there will be a2, in a2 there will be a3 directory. Okay, so I will do ls, and if you want to go in the a1 directory, so when you will do ls, you will get the a2 directory. Okay, so in similar way in a2 there is a3. Now I will go in the home directory. I will clear the screen. Now I want to remove this particular directory. To remove directories which is non-empty, like in a1 there is something. Okay, so for this we basically use the r option. With r we can use f option for forcefully deleting. Okay, but we are not using here it. Okay, so I will just go with the a1, and I will just hit enter, and all the directories will get deleted. Okay, if I do ls, so that you will see there is no a1. Now what I will do, I will just create again those directories, and I will run with the -v option. Okay, and here we will see remove directory, first a3, then a2, then a1. Okay, if you want to use -i option, then also you can use a small I. It will ask you yes, then it will ask you for the next you yes, then next you have to do yes. So remove directory a1, a2, a2, then again y, then again for the final one. So in this way we can use the rm command with the -vir, and these are the all options. Okay, now if you want to delete empty directory. Okay, so this is an empty directory, there is nothing in test00. You can also do with r option, but there is also one more like what you can say flag or option is d, which basically deletes the empty directories. We'll do test00, and it will delete the. Okay, so test00 has been deleted. Now again I will show you with the -v option, so you can get the like confirmation, or there should be no any confusion regarding things. Okay, so -v, and yeah, remove directory test00. Okay, so that's all for today, and I hope you liked it about this like how we can remove files and directories with the rm command, as this is a basic Linux command. Okay,